The pocket hose copperhead 25-foot hose is remarkably compact and lightweight when empty, yet stretches out fully to cover a typical small yard or patio without feeling flimsy. Its swiveling connector design allows the hose to rotate freely at the faucet, which really cuts down on annoying kinks and twisting near the spigot. The tough outer jacket feels noticeably more rugged than earlier expandable hoses, so it stands up well to dragging over rough ground and being coiled and uncoiled every day. Inside, the multi-layer latex tubing keeps water pressure steady and helps prevent the sudden bursts and pinhole leaks that cheaper expandable hoses often develop. The specialized end fittings use modern polymer materials to create a tight, drip-free seal at the faucet and nozzle, which means less wasted water and fewer frustrating puddles under the connection. Because the hose materials are free of lead and include real copper components, it is a safer choice for watering edible plants, filling pet bowls, or topping off outdoor water features.